Want to grow massive garlic bulbs, the kind that makes your neighbors jealous? Today, I'm going to share a simple leaf test that tells you exactly when to harvest for the biggest, most flavorful garlic. Stick around, this one trick could triple your garlic yields. Most people harvest garlic too early or too late, and that can shrink your bulbs by 50% or more. But with this leaf test, you'll harvest at peak size every single time. Let's dive in. You don't need any fancy tools, just your garlic plants and a sharp eye. If you've got a big patch, a notebook helps track progress, but honestly, your hands and eyes are enough. Here's the secret. Each green leaf on your garlic plant represents a wrapper layer around the bulb. The more healthy green leaves you have at harvest, the more protective layers your garlic will get, and the bigger, longer lasting your bulbs will be. Your goal? Harvest when your garlic has about 4 to 6 green leaves left and the rest are starting to yellow. That means the bulb is fully mature but not overripe. If you wait until all the leaves are yellow or brown, your bulbs end up smaller and the cloves can split apart. Too early and they're not fully formed. 4 to 6 green leaves, that's your sweet spot. Start checking your garlic once the bottom 2 or 3 leaves begin yellowing. For most folks, that's late spring or early summer, but your climate might shift things a bit. Check every few days. Garlic matures quickly at this stage. If you're curious, you can gently brush away the soil at the base of your plant to get a sneak peek at the bulb. Look for plump, well-defined cloves and tight wrappers. But remember, don't actually pull the bulb until you hit that 4 to 6 green leaf mark. When you see those 4 to 6 green leaves and the rest have yellowed, that's your cue. Grab a garden fork or shovel, loosen the soil around your garlic. Don't yank it by the stem, you'll risk damaging the bulb. Instead, gently lift and admire that beautiful, hefty bulb you just grew. Once harvested, cure your garlic in a shaded, well-ventilated spot for 2 to 4 weeks. Think a breezy porch or a shed with the door open. This helps the garlic store longer and really brings out its flavor. Just make sure there's plenty of airflow and check for mold every few days. And that's it, the leaf test. A super simple trick for massive garlic harvest every season. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips,